Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. If you didn't want part 1, you might be a little bit confused. But we have a black background on this drawing, and the letters are white, but it's all black. And he is printing this, and I'm going to think that it's having to print black and white. And he's trying to put the white on top of the black. Let's set our nudge factor on just the width this time is 3, so let's make it 4 inches. And let's take our font and move it up. And then let's left click. We'll right click in red so we can see it. And then let's take the color out of this black. And let's make an outline. Now we can nudge this back and see everything's transparent, but if we get the Smart Fill tool and fill this in with black, and this is the way we did it before, but I'm going to show you, we need to actually make the letters white. And then that way there's nothing there but white on the letters. So if we take all these and nudge them up and make the interior color white. The interior color is white and the outline black. Now if we do this, the letters, we're going to have to refill in the spots with the black. But this way the printer, and this is only guessing because I don't print, is printing white, but there's nothing there but where the other was black. So if we look at the difference, these two look the same. This is the old one. It looks the same, but there's something totally black with light white letters on top of it. So my guess is having to print, I don't know how it works. I don't know if a printer does like an engraver and it just doesn't engrave that part, but I think this would be a little safer because there's nothing there for it to, the white isn't printing on top of black. Let's say he's putting this on a blue sign, then the letters will still be white. I truly hope that made sense. Thank you for watching.